Hello teacher, hello everyone. My name is Thuy Giang and I'm now going to talk about a practical problem related to texting and assessment. My presentation will consist of four main points. The first one, what the problem is. The second one, what is it problematic. The third one, to whom, how, and in what way is it harmful. And the last one, what suggestions for the problem. Now, let's start with the first point, what the problem is. The problem that I want to share with you today is students' anxiety in oral English text. Text anxiety is one of the biggest learning challenges of students today. According to APA, text anxiety is a combination of physical symptoms and emotional reactions that interfere with the ability to perform well on text. Anxiety is built up to the climax when language learners communicate with others, especially in oral English text. That is the reason why some text takers tend to feel worried in orally evaluative situations. So, why is it problematic? All of us know that oral assessments are really important, right? Because they are used to measure student growth and proficiency and help identify what's working and what needs to be adjusted. However, oral text anxiety can muddy assessment results, painting an inaccurate portrait of performance. So, by acknowledging text anxiety and using techniques to minimize its effect, we teachers can help to minimize the chance of that happening. Obviously, oral English text anxiety can directly affect students, but how and in what way is it harmful? Firstly, the student language proficiency reflected in the speaking text has been partly impaired by the anxiety. Secondly, high degree of anxiety can also negatively affect student working memory. Thirdly, constant anxiety in speaking text may mar the student's self-efficacy and self-confidence. So, how can teachers help the student to overcome this problem? Here are some suggestions. First, strengthening pre-text training. We should train effective text-taking strategies and provide students with more opportunities to practice speaking in the class. Next, improving healthcare education. There is a need for anxiety reduction program in school to provide more support before, during, and after the text. Last but not least, we should also create an unthreatening texting environment by making text more suitable for the level of each student and devise the way to make it easier for them to understand, like consider the level and amount of the questions, use easy words and simple grammar with slower speed. So that's all of my presentation. So thank you for listening.